Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence might influence your Safari browsing experience? In this age of rapid technological advancements, artificial intelligence, or AI, has become an integral part of our daily lives. It's in our phones, our cars, and even our kitchens. But have you ever stopped to consider how AI is revolutionizing the way we browse the internet? Today, let's take a closer look at how AI is reshaping the way we experience Safari, Apple's popular web browser. In the past, browsing the web was a simple, straightforward process. You typed in a URL and your browser displayed the web page. But as the internet has grown, so has the complexity of our online interactions. That's where AI comes in. Using complex algorithms and machine learning, AI has the potential to transform how we navigate the digital landscape. One of the ways AI enhances user experience in Safari is by streamlining searches. Ever noticed how Safari seems to know exactly what you're looking for even before you finish typing? That's AI at work. Through a process called predictive analytics, Safari's AI studies your past browsing habits, predicts what you're likely to search for, and provides tailored suggestions, making your browsing experience smoother and more efficient. But AI's influence on Safari isn't limited to search optimization. AI also plays a crucial role in improving web security. With cyber threats becoming increasingly sophisticated, traditional security measures are no longer enough. Safari's AI can detect and neutralize these threats in real time, ensuring a safer browsing experience. As we delve deeper into the world of artificial intelligence, it's clear that AI's role in Safari extends far beyond streamlining searches and bolstering security. It's about creating a more personalized, intuitive, and secure browsing experience. Indeed, artificial intelligence is not just the future, it is the present, deeply integrated into Safari. Scene script. How exactly does AI enhance your Safari browsing experience, you might ask? Well, let's dive into that. One of the most noticeable ways AI makes your Safari experience smoother is through the use of predictive text. This feature utilizes machine learning to understand and anticipate your typing habits. It's like having a personal secretary who knows your writing style inside out. Whether you're typing an email or searching for a website, predictive text can save you precious time by suggesting words or even entire phrases. It's a small touch, but over time, it truly adds up to a more seamless browsing experience. The voice recognition feature in Safari is another brilliant implementation of AI. It transforms your spoken words into written text, enabling hands-free browsing and typing. Just imagine the convenience. You're in the middle of cooking dinner, your hands are messy, but you need to look up a recipe. No problem, just speak to Safari. It's as simple as that. And let's not forget, voice recognition also provides an invaluable service to users with physical impairments, making the web a more accessible place for everyone. Now let's talk about personalized recommendations. Safari uses AI to analyze your browsing habits and preferences, providing you with tailor-made content suggestions. For example, if you're a fan of rock music, Safari might suggest articles about the latest rock bands, concerts in your area, or new album releases. It's like having a personal concierge that knows exactly what you're interested in, always ready to offer you the most relevant content. But it's not just about convenience. These AI features also add a layer of efficiency to your browsing. They help you get to where you want to go faster, find what you're looking for more easily, and discover new content that you might not have stumbled upon otherwise. So as you can see, AI in Safari is all about tailoring the browsing experience to meet your unique needs. Beyond user experience, AI in Safari also revolutionizes the way we search the web. Remember the good old days when you had to type out your entire search query, word by word, letter by letter? Well, those days are long gone thanks to Safari's AI-powered search predictions. The moment you start typing, Safari's AI is already hard at work, predicting what you might be searching for. It uses your past search history, trending topics, and even your geographical location to make intelligent guesses, saving you time and effort. But the AI magic doesn't stop there. Have you ever wondered how Safari manages to deliver such accurate search results? That's all thanks to the AI algorithms that work behind the scenes. These algorithms analyze your search query, understand the context, and then sift through millions of web pages to find the most relevant information. Whether you're looking for the latest news, researching for a project, or simply browsing the web, Safari's AI ensures that you find exactly what you need. And it's not just about speed and accuracy. Safari's AI also plays a crucial role in intelligent tracking prevention. This feature uses machine learning to identify and block trackers, preventing advertisers from following you around the web. So while you're enjoying a faster and more accurate search experience, Safari's AI is also working around the clock to protect your privacy. But what's truly amazing is how all these complex AI processes happen in the blink of an eye. It's all thanks to the power of machine learning, which allows Safari's AI to learn and improve with each search query. The more you search, the smarter it gets. It's like having your very own personal assistant that knows what you want, even before you do. In other words, AI in Safari makes your search experience faster, smarter, and more secure. AI doesn't just make Safari smarter, it also makes it safer. With the power of artificial intelligence, Safari is engineered to provide more than just a browsing experience. It's designed to be a guardian of your online safety. The internet, while a vast treasure trove of information and opportunities, is also a playground for harmful websites, phishing attempts, and malware. With these threats lurking around every digital corner, Safari employs AI to detect and block such harmful content. It's like having a personal bodyguard, constantly alert and ready to shield you from the dark side of the web. But what's a bodyguard without a keen eye and an analytical mind? Safari's AI goes beyond just blocking threats, it learns from them. By constantly analyzing the nature of these threats, it evolves and becomes smarter, adapting to new types of dangers and finding innovative ways to keep you safe. Now let's talk about data collection, a hot topic in this digital age. We've all heard stories about how our data is being tracked and collected as we surf the web. This is where Safari's privacy report feature comes into play. Powered by AI, it gives you insights about the trackers that websites use to collect your data. It's like having a magnifying glass that reveals the invisible footprints you leave behind in the digital sand. But it doesn't stop there. The privacy report also allows you to take control. It empowers you to decide who gets to collect your data and who doesn't. This is AI working for you, giving you the reins of your online privacy. So what does all this mean? It means that with AI, Safari is not just a web browser, it's a smart, learning, evolving entity that's always on guard, always ready to protect. It's a personal, proactive protector of your online safety. With AI, Safari is not just a web browser, it's a personal, proactive protector of your online safety. Now that we've explored the present, what might the future hold for AI in Safari? As we peer into the crystal ball of technology, we can see some tantalizing possibilities for the role of artificial intelligence in the world of Safari. Imagine, if you will, a future where your browser doesn't just assist you but understands you, predicts your needs, and adjusts to your habits. Let's start with voice recognition. Today, voice recognition in Safari is already pretty good, but the future could bring us even more advanced capabilities. Imagine a Safari that can understand not only what you say, but how you say it, picking up on nuances of tone, emotion, and context. Your browsing experience could be as easy as having a conversation with a friend. Next, let's consider personalization. AI could take the browsing experience to new heights of individual tailoring. Imagine a Safari that learns from your browsing habits, understands your preferences, and anticipates your needs. No more wading through irrelevant content. Instead, you'll be presented with a curated experience, tailored specifically to your tastes and interests. Finally, let's talk about security. As cyber threats become increasingly advanced, so too must our defenses. AI could play a key role in this, helping to identify and neutralize threats before they even reach you. Imagine a Safari that can detect suspicious activity, identify phishing attempts, and block malware in real time. These are just a few of the potential future developments and enhancements in AI for Safari. Of course, the actual future may look different as technology is always evolving and surprising us, but one thing is for sure, with the integration of AI, the Safari of the future will be a more intuitive, personalized, and secure browsing experience. As we move forward, one thing is clear, the integration of AI in Safari is just the beginning of an exciting journey into the future of browsing.